Claire here from Wrangle, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a ticketing inbox. Wrangle ticketing inboxes help you field inbound requests from your colleagues directly from Slack. So I'll show you how quick and easy it is to set up your inbox in just minutes, and then walk you through a few different ways to create tickets depending on your inbox settings. So to start, I have the Wrangle app open here in Slack, and I'm going to click on this button that says Wrangle Dashboard. And from here, I'll open the Inboxes button in our left menu. And you can see here we already have a few inboxes set up in our Slack workspace. You can think of each of these as their own individual queues with different agents and different settings for each one. So I'll go ahead and create a new inbox using this Create Inbox button in the top right corner. And now we can give our inbox a name, a description, we can set a channel. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll call this CX requests. Give it a description. We are going to put this in our training channel. We can choose how we want to create tickets. By default, you can just create tickets manually. You can also turn any new channel messages in a specific channel into tickets as well. I will go ahead and choose that, and we'll show you how this works, both for creating tickets manually and for creating tickets automatically. And then we can set up our agents. So these are the people that we want to be able to respond to and resolve our tickets. We can enforce SLAs for both our first response time as well as our ticket resolution time. Maybe I want to make sure that we're responding to all of our tickets within 1 weekday, and I want all of the tickets to be resolved within 5 weekdays. I can also turn on automatic notifications to our requester whenever a ticket is first claimed, as well as closed or resolved. And next up, this is optional. We can add ticket form fields. I'm going to leave this as is for now, and we'll come back to this later to show you the difference between a standard ticket and one with additional form fields. So I'll go ahead and click Save Changes. And now we are ready to go back to Slack and create our first ticket. So there are a few ways for requesters to create tickets in Slack. One is to open our Wrangle app and click this Start Ticket button. And then from here, you can choose your inbox, give your ticket a name and description, and start ticket. And right off the bat, we see I've got a mention in our channels as well as in my threads. So as soon as you submit a ticket, you will get notified in Slack of where the ticket has been posted. Another way I can create a ticket before I go further is I can use a slash command, search slash ticket, and then get start a ticket with Wrangle. This opens that same modal we were just looking at. I can also search for Wrangle in the search bar and find that start a ticket shortcut there. I can also take any message that I have and transform that into a ticket as well. So if I've got a question from a colleague and I want to turn it into a ticket, I can open up this More Actions menu and then start a ticket. And again, I will get that same modal. This time we'll be creating the ticket on behalf of the person who sent the message that we're converting into a ticket. But I also mentioned that we can turn any new channel message into a ticket. So that's what I'll do here. I'll go ahead and create a second ticket. And now, as soon as I've sent my message, I get an auto reply from Wrangle with some details about the ticket. Same thing goes for the one we created earlier. I've got those same details in our thread here. So I mentioned that you can also add custom form fields to your ticketing inbox as well. I'll show you what that looks like when you have one of these auto reply ticket channels as well, so you can see the difference. So I'm going to, back in our web app, click on View Inbox, and then Form Fields. and I'm going to add a form field. So let's say because this is our CX requests inbox, I want to add a field for the customer name. And I'll go ahead and save my changes there. So now, if I come back to our channel here and create a new message, let's see what that looks like. So I get a new auto reply here, but instead of the ticket being created automatically, I, as the requester, see a request to actually fill out the form. So before I can start the ticket, I do need to fill out our form with that additional field that we just created. So there you have it. That is how to set up your Wrangle inbox. If you have any questions or need any help, check out the support page in the Wrangle web app. We have links to our help docs, our video library, as well as links to get in touch with our customer support team. Happy wrangling!